And, before text, finally, I got to normal Balapuki, no more robot Balapuki, and here is text. Season 1 Episode 2. Classic Caillou make fakies tornado warning / grounded. I can't believe I got grounded 5 weeks, this is bad, so, what should I do? I know. I make fakies tornado warning, ha 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 ha. Well, let's go to EaseROM. Okay, no one here, let's go to EaseROM PC. Okay, let's see. Okay, I found. Let's go in. Okay, here we are, let's typing. You get skip if you want. Haha, it's perfect. Now let's go to mobile and TV. And now, let's go to 5 p.m. Okay, let's get out here, before go to room.
Hey Classic Caillou.
Hey Dad.
You want some TV show?
Yes Dad.
Okay, let's go to TV show.
Okay.
What happened to TV show?
I don't know Dad.
What the heck is that?
Oh no, Izzy's tornado warning. Hey.
The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for the following counties as Limestone, Madison, Alabama, and effective until May 20, 2025, 18 hours 45 minutes and 0 seconds Central Daylight Saving Time. This is really dangerous for your home. Get bunker quickly.
I think we are bunker. I will be safe.
Me too.
What? A tornado masses?
I know what it is. It was Classic Caillou. He make this fakey ass tornado warning.
Oh, 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 my God. Classic Caillou. How dare you make fake ease torn? No. Dude. That's IT. You. So grounded for 10 years. Go to room right now.
Wah. Goodbye guys.